We're taking a Cuban tradition and we made it better. Now we made it a Cuban-American tradition, and we're bringing a little piece of Cuba into Newark. And everybody, I went to the Dominican Republic, I seen rollers. I went down to Cuba, I seen rollers. Well, you know what? You don't have to go anywhere. You have it right here in Newark, New Jersey.
For 36 years, the Jimenez family has been bringing a piece of their Cuban culture here to Newark, New Jersey through their hand-rolled cigars and handcrafted cocktails.
So my parents came in 1968 from the persecution from Cuba, and they started working here. My mom worked in a factory, my dad worked cleaning floors and a dishwasher, and slowly they started putting together their lives and started a small cigar factory here on Columbia Street.
Esa es la vena del tabaco. Yo estoy aquí, estoy recordando cómo lo hacíamos allá, cómo lo hacía mi familia allá. Desde que llegué aquí, yo maté toda mi ansiedad en el trabajo.
¿Y ansiedad era por haberse ido de su país y dejar su familia?
Haber dejado mi familia.
¿Y cómo fue eso?
Ay, mijo, ahí sí que me deprime. Mi padre estuvo preso. Somos familia de presos políticos. No nos dejaban vivir allá. No se podía hablar. Y para mí la expresión es muy importante.
The history and the passion and the feeling that you see from my parents and the hurt and pain that they had that they lost their country. That's what drives me, because I see what my mother and my father did and how strong they are. I don't think I could ever even do that. I can't even imagine that, leaving to another country, not knowing anything and starting all over again. So here my mother has the wrapper. She's prepping the wrapper, which is the final stage of the cigar, and she's taking the vein out of it and prepping it and getting it ready for the cigar roller. And while she's doing that, the cigar roller here is doing the filler. So he's going to be putting the fillers together, which are 1, 2, 3, the binders 4, and our wrappers 5. So all our cigars are 5 blended. All aged minimum 5 years or more on tobacco, and all hand selected by my mother. So then all the cigars, he does the filler, the bonche, which they call. They put it in the mold, puts it in the mold. He puts and this mold holds 12 molds, like you see here, and then they put it over here into the press, which is pressed for 20 minutes, turned and pressed for another 20 minutes before it comes back to the stage, which we'll show when he puts the wrapper on it.
A lot of people confuse the cigar trade with the cigarette aspect of it, and it's two different worlds. A cigar is more like a social aspect. It's for a celebration. It's good for your soul, and it brings people together.
We don't work here. This is our life. This is a lifestyle. We want you to feel our family. You know, the Cuban espresso coffee goes around all day for free, complimentary. It's just we want you to come here and relax and unwind and get away from life.
We're not the big boys, but the big boys can't do what we do. People come here, they relax, they enjoy each other, and they become family.